what I want to tell you now, Good morning, no. Me also wear me lace front head tie, It's lace front head tie, I take one of my skirt of shorts inside of it, and make me a nice lace front tattoo. It's lace front tattoo, not lace front tie, a lace front tattoo, You know, my sister, I seen a lot of people who they preaching about God so much, They talking about God so much, and they preaching, and some of them are liar and thief, They only want to thief your money, They want to fool you, You pray to God by yourself, He can hear you by himself, He can hear you, You don't need 1,000 people for God to hear you, Lot of them come on Facebook saying that they're Christian, and they prophecy and they prophesy, and they're wearing lipstick and long nails and fake hair sewing human hair, but they're preaching that they're holy, they're so holy that they can lose their weave, They're so holy that they can't stop putting on the nails, and then they say we are sinners, and they cursing us because of our makeup, and because of our nails, and then they preaching, and they still wearing fake nails, they still wearing Indian weave, while they preaching, they're wearing lipstick, while they preaching. God never asked you for all of that, because if you think you're so righteous, and you're righteous more than one of us, you shouldn't be wearing it then, You're supposed to be pure and clean and you baptize, Well, I haven't baptized it, and you are baptized, so tell me why you're wearing the makeup, why you're wearing the same nails I'm wearing, and why you're doing the same thing. Some of you are hypocrite, You're hypocrite. You're goddamn hypocrite. And you know that you're hypocrite. And some of them, they don't want you to tell them the truth, They get mad for you like sister, nothing for that. Some of them, they jealous me for my makeup, they jealous me for my head tie, they jealous me for everything. But they go into church and crying, Lord, oh Lord, help me, Jesus. Things is going wrong in my life, But they don't see that they still wearing the makeup, they still wearing the nails, but they want to talk about the born again Christian. I have seen a many born again Christian, They born again and they come to church. They looking good and they come to church with natural hair, natural beauty, Soon as they baptize, they start to straighten their hair, they start to wear earpiece, they start to wear ear extension and long nails and different makeup because they go into church. So you tell me, when you go into church, you start wearing makeup when you go to church. You start now color in your hair when you go to church. You now start doing your nails when you go into church. You now start putting on makeup and all these things and cutting your hair and sewing human hair and get longer hair for church. You're dressing up like you're going for a fashion show. So you tell me, if you was a Christian before, you baptize, and after you baptize, you become a devil. You become a Satan. Oh yes, you're Satan child. Because you was natural praising the Lord, you go inside the church, your church brothers start looking at you, you're getting your hype, you're getting hype. That's why a lot of your church sisters, you go in the church, and you sleep with the church brother. Next thing you know, you have big stomach, you're not even married yet, you're pregnant. This is the kind of things that go on in the church. That's why I can't be trusting this church anymore. I used to go to one church far down there, they down the Fulton Street, and the pastor preach, and every time he preach, I give $100 more. $100 more, because I want God to bless me, sister. One day I see that man, he pull out his nice expensive car, and he stopped to take a kerchief out his pocket to dust the dust off the car. But he was preaching today and saying that we shouldn't worship vanity, but that you can see where your money is going. So I don't want y'all hypocrite to come and tell me nothing. Y'all come and hate for gonna want to be a big star for Jesus. You want to be a big star for Jesus? And y'all still wearing the fake hair. Y'all still wearing the fake nail and long eyelashes you're putting on to go and preach, to go and serve the Lord, to go and tell the other sisters and brothers and the young kids and generation, you must put on long nails to serve the Lord. You must put on sewing weaves to praise the Lord. You must put on lipstick to praise the Lord. And then they put on the lipstick and the long nail and the weave, and they come and they sit down and they start to draw a crowd, and they start to scream on top of their lungs like they're having some kind of seizure or some kind of mental problem. You have to have mental problem. You have to have mental problem if you come screaming for Jesus, 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 and you still see of your natural hair, you can wear it, you have to be wearing weave, you have to be wearing makeup, you have to be wearing long nails. You go to the China, you pay just as much as I pay to put it on, You go, you buy the same makeup I put on, you're preaching with the thing you're preaching. This is not a show. You're serving for the Lord. Why are you painting up yourself like a mascot? Leave that to us, We are the sinner. Leave that to us. Leave that to us, We are the sinners. You all stealing people, robbing people money, telling people all kind of thing about God. Like we supposed to be scared of you to tell you the truth, eh? We supposed to be scared to open them up because you say God. But if you say God, we can say God too. So what's the problem for that? These people is nonsense and turn you around. Most of the church you go to, you can't get no food, you can't get no clothes. Oh. And if they give you food, it's some bad, ugly food. Food ain't no good, cheap food. Some spoiled potatoes and some carrot. Oh. Maybe some bad rice with weevil or something in it. Oh. You can't get your rent pay. Oh. You can't get your house bill pay. Oh. You can't get nothing done. Oh. But they're hypocrite. Oh. They want to bring you down and say, oh, you are a sinner. Nobody know you're a sinner. Nobody know your heart. Oh. You only know your heart with God alone, and God know your heart. And sister, they're hypocrite. So sister, before you talk about your big preacher, search yourself and search your weave out. Search your nails off and search your lipstick and the makeup off you. Search it off, and find yourself with the Lord. Search it off before you can preach to anybody. Come on here with your nonsense. Talk about hallelujah and jumping up in spirit when you know you want man. When your body want man, you start to holler for Jesus. Like say, Jesus not gonna come down here and satisfy you. Jesus already bless you. Jesus will go find yourself a husband. But when the body take them and they wanna take man, and they feel like they feeling hot, like they wanna take man, they start screaming about Jesus, telling lion the poor Jesus. Don't tell lion my Jesus. Yahweh, 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 Yahweh. Don't tell a lion anymore.